Okay, so after releasing all that, now gotta disconnect this right here. I'll be back after I do that. There's a screw right there. I gotta get off in order to release the shifter knob. So let's get that. I believe it's a T25. So I just removed the screw. There's a T25. Okay, so now this should come right up. Okay, now I just have to disconnect this right here. Yeah, that's pretty dirty. I'm gonna be cleaning that. So how I removed it, I just pressed the little pin back there. Yep, right there. And it popped right off. And, okay, that's it. Alright, so now I'm gonna be taking this part off. So I popped the shifter out the boot. Now I'm gonna disconnect the wire, and then I'm gonna flip this around and slice the two ends and install the new shifter. Now I'm gonna be separating this. I already started. I'm gonna just be pulling that off just like this. Now I'm not gonna slice it. What I'm doing is I'm gonna just open up the you know what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna open the stitching nut right there on the inside. Okay, this is what it's looking like. Now I already took the shifter. I made the splits. I used a tie. I connected the shifter back. Okay, so I already popped this back on down here. I made sure to have something to line it up before I screwed this in. Now I have to put these two screws here, put this down, and screw this screw in, and then I'm all done. I'll be back. Final product.